Hello and welcome to Practice Insights. I am your host Suresh, and today we'll be discussing a very important protocol: how to fumigate a neonatal intensive care unit or NICU using a third generation quaternary ammonium compound ESLOC-D. Neonates are among the most vulnerable patients, and NICU need the highest standards of hygiene. Routine surface cleaning is important, but when we need complete disinfection of the environment, walls, floors, equipment, and airspace, fumigation with S-Log-D becomes essential. Let's walk through this process step by step. Why S-Log-D? So first, why do we use S-Log-D? S-Log-D is a third generation quaternary ammonium compound or QAC. It is broad spectrum, effective against bacteria, fungi, and certain viruses. Unlike formaldehyde, it is non-corrosive, non-carcinogenic, and residue-free, making it safe for sensitive NICU equipment. And importantly, it leaves no harmful deposits, ensuring the NICU is safe for newborns once the process is complete. Preparations before fumigation. Before starting fumigation, preparations are critical. Shift neonates safely out of the NICU to another sterile area. Seal the room. Doors, windows, and vents should be closed. Switch off HVAC systems and exhaust fans to allow the fumigant to remain in the room. Remove consumables like drugs, milk, and disposables. Cover sensitive equipment if needed, although S-Log is non-corrosive. Once the NICU is ready, we move on to the application. Method of application. Now, how exactly do we apply S-Log-D? It can be applied by fogging, mopping with mop, wipes, sponge or cloth, or using a hand sprayer. For NICUs and other sterile zones, such as ICUs, operating theaters, or cath labs, the recommended dilution is 1.6%. That means 16 milliliters of S-Log-D in 1 liter of clean water. For fogging, use 1 liter of 1.6% solution for every 1000 cubic feet of room volume. For example, if the room size is 10 by 10 by 10 feet, you would require 1 liter of prepared solution. For clean zones outside sterile areas like waiting halls, wards, or corridors, a 0.8% dilution is sufficient. That's 8 milliliters of S-Log-D in 1 liter of water used for mopping or wiping floors, furniture, and walls. During and after fumigation. Once fogging is started, allow the machine to run for about 30 to 45 minutes, dispersing the disinfectant mist. After fogging, the room should remain sealed for 1 to 2 hours to ensure maximum microbial kill. Then, ventilate the NICU by opening windows or using exhaust systems. Wipe down high-touch areas if required. Finally, neonates and staff may re-enter once the area is safe and well aerated. Safety measures. Now, a word about safety. S-Log-D is for professional use only. Do not swallow. Avoid contamination of food. Always wear safety goggles and alkali or acid resistant footwear when handling concentrates. In case of inhalation, remove the person to fresh air and seek medical attention. If swallowed, do not induce vomiting. Get immediate medical help. For storage, keep S-Log-D in its original container, tightly closed and at a temperature between 16 to 28 degrees Celsius. For disposal, rinse empty containers with water and detergent, then wrap and discard as per regulations. Never reuse empty containers. And most importantly, keep it out of reach of children. Conclusion. So, to summarize, fumigating a NICU with, and most importantly, keep it out of reach of children. Conclusion. Host. So, to summarize, fumigating a NICU with S-Log-D involves careful preparation, correct dilution, proper fogging or mopping, maintaining contact time, and following strict safety measures. When used correctly, S-Log-D provides broad spectrum disinfection, Residue free safe